Choosing a new roof for your home is a big decision. It's a significant investment that impacts your home's curb appeal, energy efficiency, and most importantly, your wallet. Two popular contenders often top the list for homeowners: asphalt shingles and metal roofing. Both options come with their own set of advantages and drawbacks, primarily concerning cost and longevity. Asphalt shingles have long been the go-to choice for their affordability. They are readily available and come in a variety of styles and colors to complement different house designs. Metal roofing, on the other hand, boasts exceptional durability and a longer lifespan, but often comes with a higher upfront cost. This begs the question, which roofing material offers the best value in the long run? Navigating this decision requires a thorough understanding of the costs associated with each option. From the initial material expenses to installation and potential maintenance down the line, factoring in all aspects is crucial. This analysis will delve into the cost breakdown of asphalt shingles and metal roofing, providing homeowners with the insights needed to make an informed decision that aligns with their budget and long-term housing goals. Understanding the cost discrepancies between these roofing materials is the first step towards making a choice that balances your aesthetic preferences with your financial planning. Whether you prioritize initial affordability or long-term savings, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to confidently tackle your next roofing project. Section 2. Asphalt shingles, a cost-effective classic. Asphalt shingles remain a popular choice for homeowners seeking an economical roofing solution. They are widely available and come in a range of styles, including 3-tab, architectural and designer shingles, each offering a different aesthetic at varying price points. On average, asphalt shingles cost between $1.50 to $5.50 per square foot, depending on the style and quality. A square in roofing terms refers to 100 square feet of material, which is the standard unit of measurement for roofing materials. To estimate the material cost for an average-sized single-family home with a roof area of 1,700 square feet, you can expect to pay anywhere from $2,550 to $9,350 for asphalt shingles alone. Keep in mind that this is just the material cost and doesn't include labor, which we'll discuss in a later section. While the upfront cost of asphalt shingles is undoubtedly attractive, it's essential to consider their lifespan. Traditional asphalt shingles have a shorter lifespan compared to metal roofing, typically lasting 15 to 30 years. This means you might need to replace your asphalt roof sooner than a metal roof, potentially incurring additional costs down the line. Factors like ventilation, climate, and proper installation can influence the lifespan of your asphalt shingles. However, even with proper care, they are more susceptible to damage from wind, hail, and extreme temperatures compared to their metal counterparts. Section 3. Metal roofing, the durable but pricey contender. Metal roofing has gained significant traction among homeowners in recent years, primarily due to its exceptional longevity and resilience. Metal roofs are available in a variety of materials, including steel, aluminum, copper, and zinc, each with its own price point and aesthetic appeal. While generally more expensive than asphalt shingles, metal roofing offers unparalleled durability and a longer lifespan. On average, metal roofing can cost anywhere from $5.50 to $22 per square foot, depending on the type of metal, style, and finish. For the same 1,700 square foot roof, this translates to a material cost ranging from $9,350 to $37,400, significantly higher than asphalt shingles. However, this higher initial investment is often offset by the extended lifespan of metal roofs. Metal roofs can last anywhere from 40 to 70 years, even exceeding the lifespan of traditional asphalt shingles. This means you likely won't need to replace your roof again, saving you significant costs in the long run. Moreover, metal roofing offers exceptional resistance to wind, hail, fire, and rot, reducing the need for costly repairs or replacements due to weather damage. While the upfront cost of metal roofing might seem daunting, it's crucial to consider the long-term value it brings. The extended lifespan, minimal maintenance requirements, and potential energy savings contribute to significant cost savings over the life of your roof.